Hello everyone, how are you? Hopefully you are doing great. I'm Tariq Mahmoud with you for this session. I'm going to conduct the today's session. So before starting my session, I just want to ensure that you are watching my screen properly and listening my voice without any noise. So whoever in this session, please give your comment that you are watching properly without any noise and hearing me with- without any problem. Today I'm going to conduct it in English because uh, today we have many global students. So hopefully everyone will enjoy it because if I do it in Bangla, some global students may face problem to understand me. So just I'm trying to do it in English. So while I'm waiting for your comment, if you have any comment or if you are facing any problem to the session, please just comment. If you are logged in with your Gmail account, you can easily comment to this session. In this session, we are going to show something pricing table, designing a pricing table with HTML and CSS. If you want to know what is pricing table, well, pricing table you can see in the many hosting website. There are membership packages. There are list of packages like gold membership, premium membership, free membership. So these membership packages are represented with many features and prices. So this layout say as the price table. Hopefully you're not facing any problem to see my screen. Well, I will start my session within few minutes. Just I want to confirm that everyone watching my screen without any problem. And I will show settings for what because uh, for the first time who are attending this session may face the problem seeing the blur screen or low resolution quality in their video. So how to set these settings, I'll show that. And whoever misses the first session, that means the part you can see later when the broadcast will be finished, you will see the recorded version of the complete session with the same URL. So don't worry, who are just joining later. Well, the settings I'm showing now. If anyone join later, just comment out, and I will show you again if you have any problem. You can see on over the video the settings icon. Just click on it, and you will see the two options: speed and quality. Just click on the quality option, and you will see many options. So you have to select 360 or 480 to see my screen properly. Because if your option is selected by default 144 or 240, in that case actually you will not see my screen properly. You will see blur screen you cannot understand my code. So please be ensure that your option is selected for 80 or 360. Then hopefully you will not face any problem to watch my screen. And if you have any problem to hear my voice, also comment. Hopefully, my internet is prepared today. And I apologize because I'm extremely sorry we couldn't broadcast the previous night session due to the technical problem for the YouTube technical problem. Though our end is perfect, no problem in our end, but due to some technical problem in the Google Broadcasting, we couldn't broadcast our session. So for sorry for that. Whoever came to the session or waited for the session. Well, I'm starting today's session without any delay. And if you have any query or problem, just comment out. I'll check in the regular interval. So today we are going to show how to design a simple price table with HTML and CSS. Well, there are basic HTML structure. If you have basic knowledge in HTML, you can see just a head part and a body part. Well, let me finish the head part. Okay. So in the head part, I included external CSS, which name is my.css. I already created it, and the body is still blank because I put my HTML code here. Well, let's start. Div class, I'm just taking a div which class is price table, and with this div all other price table will be situated. So I'm just taking a more div, so I can say that each table, that means each price table will be here, and in this price table I can put some content like this is can be the package's name, for example, free. Then later we can put the price, which can be 00, and we can put some features. That means the features of this package. So we are just putting some listing. Can be 100 MB space. I'm just copying it because we are putting some demo data just for our design purpose. So 100 MB disk space, it can be 512 bandwidth, conflicts of domain. Domain is equal DB. And no name address. And finally, we can put some button, for example, just order now. And we can put a class also, like order button, so that we can use this class for the CSS purpose. So the basic markup is ready for the package, one package. That means first one is the package name, price, and the list or features of the package, and finally an order button. So now we'll just copy this block of the code two times. That means we have three packages. So first one is free, then we can call it premium, and price can be 30. We can increase those value just for demo. And finally, we are just changing this value to the gold membership, and the price can be 50, and this space can be 10 GB. It can be unlimited. It can be also unlimited name, and 50 mail address. So that's it. So we have our basic data and the HTML markup. Just see the output, how it looks now. Well, you can see the straight plain text without any styling. So just the data themes are like the document. So now we'll give some color and make it more light. I'm not sure if you have any problem. I'm just checking the comment. If you have any comment, well, no comment so far. So hopefully you are watching without any problem. So now let's go to the CSS part for the markup we have already created. So price table, just will create some CSS. We can make it have an 100 pixel, margin 0 auto, because we want to center this div in the center of the screen. Next, we can each table, so we can give the width 250 pixel, and we'll put some color, so background color. So for a color, we will use a website which name is Flat UI Colors. Just you can see the URL, flatuicolors.com. In this case, we can use this color, which is actually known as the flat color. And the modern trend, the flat color is used mostly rather than some funky gradient color. So for the free package, we can use this color. So I'm using this color picker add-ons of the Mozilla. Just click it and hover this color and escape it, and the color is copied, and just putting this color here in the CSS. Well, and I can put some height also, so it can be around 400 pixel. Well, let's see how. Okay, another thing I should have to do is floating, because without floating the div element will not come in the same line actually. And another thing I missed that the background color we are using each table actually will use separate color for the separate packages. For example, for the free class we can use the free class in the deep parent deep, and we can use like premium, and finally we can use the gold. So so the idea is simple. For the color, different color, we will use the different class like free, premium, gold. So just free, we are using this color. So we are just copying it. And for the premium, we will use another class and color also. So for the premium and for the gold. So for the premium, we can use that color. Okay, we just copy it. For the gold, we can use that color, but that one is perfect as it is closer to the gold color actually. Okay, well, I'm just checking the session if we have any comment. Okay, fine, no comments so far. Well, I just put the color for the free premium gold, three different color I already put. And now I also put some margin because we want some space between the packages. So I'm putting the margin right around 50 pixel. So let's see how the, well, so the layout almost clear, that free premium gold. And we'll do another thing that we'll change the color so we can use a global settings like the body, or we can use the color is white actually. So now we'll pay the attention to the average element. For example, we can see the free, it's actually in the left aligned. We want to is the center aligned so that it looks better. Then also for the price, we'll make it circle. Then we'll align the list and with some design. We'll put up this listing icons like the default styling. And finally, we will design the order now button more like Lee button. It is like that anchor text. Well, so for the H1, that is sorry, for the H2 is the package name. So we now design the H2. So we can design it is table. That means the H2 under each table. Uh, we'll increase the font size 40 pixel and text align center. And we will reduce the margin top 5 pixel actually. So let's see now it's better. So we can see the package name now better. Now we'll work on this price. So for the price we used uh, H3, that means this price. So just we'll work in the H3 part. Now we can use the font size 72 pixel. Don't worry, it will be larger, but we'll do some actually other design. We'll make it a circle. That means it can be a circle here. So for creating a circle, we have actually rules or formula. So for the formula is simple, just the height and width will be same, and the border radius will be 50%. And we can say that background can be black, so we can use the color code of the black. Then we can use with 200 pixel height, 100 pixel. But you can ask why I'm using the different height. But I said that width and height should be same. Yes, because we use some padding. Because without padding, you cannot see this text in the center. So let's use 200 for now. So we can see actually the difference. Well, it can be border radius 50%, not pixel. So you have to careful about it. So let's see how this. Yeah, you can see that a very large one. Uh, what I said that without padding, the text is in the top, but we want the text in the center. That means the middle in the circle. So we have to put some padding. So we use the padding top 50 pixel. And for the padding, you know that if padding added, the height already increased because the padding top and bottom is with the added to the total height. So if we make it 100, then top and bottom 50 plus 50, that means 100. So the height will be ultimately 200. That means the same as the width. So now we'll see how it looks. Yeah, you can see that it is the center. Now we'll see another things, text align center, because it is centered vertically, so we want the horizontal center. Okay, so now it's perfect. Now we can space for the circle, because you can see the circle is totally aligned to the left, so there is some space. So we want to make it some margin left, so it can move to the right. So we can use margin left 50 pixel, so it shifted to the right. Sorry, not 50 pixel, it should be 25. Okay, better. I think the height of the each table should be increased, because you can see the content is now out of the box. So we can increase it like 500. Well, and we will decrease the margin of the H3, that means the price, because for H3 there are some default margin padding, so we can reduce it like margin top 0 pixel, so it will remove the unnecessary space. Also the margin bottom 0 pixel. So now we'll work on this listing of the features. Well, so now we'll work in the listing. You can see the list. So we can trace this list same as each table UL. We'll reduce the listing style or list style none. That means I'll remove the default listing. Then we can we can do some CSS for the ULLI. That means the each item. Each item would be there will be a border. So border bottom, one is a solid white, and text align with the center. And we will reduce some padding of the UL because you know that there is some default padding for the UL. Okay. So the listing is perfect now. Now we can design this order now button. So for order now, we use the class order button. So I'm just using it for the CSS. The width would be 100%. Well, there should be a float. I think my class is missed anyhow. Let me do that something. I think I need to keep some background actually. Yeah. The problem is without background I cannot see actually what is happening here. So I can use for background this color. Okay. And also we will remove this underline, that means the text decoration none, because it is already an encoding. Okay. And text align center, and we will increase the font size as well. So font size you can use 20 pixel, and color is already here. Well, and the color should be white. Okay, and finally you can use some border, sorry, a margin top, so that it goes to the bottom. Well, margin top you can use 50 pixel. So it's perfect. So there is a near button, and the package is already there. There is some listing. So I think the design is fine now. So if you have any comment, you can check. Well, no comment so far. That means you are enjoying this session without any problem. So our main layout is completed with HTML and CSS. Now we will do some beautification with CSS3 that we said earlier. So the first beautification will be we will make this div, that means the is table, some effect on hover. So for this, for example, We want to increase the size of this uh, price table when we mouse over on it. So what we will do? Simple, uh, but well, each table for each table we'll put some transition, and we can say that 2 second or 1 second, and in is in is the name of the effect. There is some effect you can search. This is actually effect. Is in is in out linear. So sorry. So we're just using the is in effect, and 1 second is the time duration. That means how long they should take this animation, the duration of this animation. So we'll put this transition in the is table. That means is table, and we want some transform. That means is table hover. We want some transform like scale. It will be 1 and 5. That means 1.5 times increase the size of this uh, price table. So let's see how it looks. Well, you can see 1.5. I think it's very much larger. We can just make it 1.2. So it looks decent actually. Yeah, you can see that just the size is increasing on hover 1.2. That means 1.2 times of this current size. And we can also give some box shadow like 2 pixel, 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 1 pixel, and color. Well, you can see the shadow. So we can control the shadow actually. There is some vertical and horizontal shadow. So you can increase the size and to adjust the value, the shadow of the width. So now you can see some in the bottom and the right. So if you adjust this value, you can make the effect as you wish. So now the transition is completed for the total width. Now we want more beautification. For example, we want this one to be rotated on the hover, so we can do it just well. For raise 3, we can make a transition also like 1 second is in. Then for each table hover, that means the hover state of this table will do different. Is 3 transform rotate 360 degree. Well, you may not uh, you may face problem to understand the code. Yeah, I am using this code because we want H3, that means the circle, to rotate when the hover. So that means when hover in the table, the state of the table, we want H3 to be transformed. That means just we make the transition in the normal H3. Then when you hovering the table, the H3 will be rotate. So let's see how it will look. Yeah, you can see that. So now we can rotate. So two work is actually two function is working here. First one is when you are hovering, this table is transforming 1.2 times or fits the current size, and the second one is the H3, that means the circle is rotating when over the element. That means first one is for that, which is scaling 1.2, and also a box shot is adding. And when we are hovering, also there another thing, the H3 or price table is it is transforming or rotating by 360 degree. Well, now our animation completed, everything done. Hopefully you enjoy this session. If you have any question, you can ask. We'll finish our session very soon, just within few minutes. So I am expecting your questions. If you have any problem to understand my code or anything else. Before completing my session, I just want to inform about CodersTrust. What's the vision of the CodersTrust? Actually, what is CodersTrust here now? Well, CodersTrust is basically a IT based company that which is the Denmark based company, and the main branch is situated in Dhaka, Bangladesh, and also it has branches in India, Kenya, and Bhutan. So it's working many countries already, and it has some successful stories already. You can, if you visit the main website or official website, codertrust.com, you can see the stories. So here there are many courses available, like front-end development, HTML, CSS, and jQuery, and Bootstrap. Also, there is some full stack development 7-month course. Also, there are Android development course. So why Curitas is different from other IT institute? Because Curitas not only focusing on the earning or sorry learning, it is also focusing on the earning. So after learning, after getting your skill, how will you earn? The process actually will be guided by the Curitas expert. So you will get support when you will start working in the global marketplace. If you face any problem, you can ask the expert. There are 24/7 support, and you also get some financial help there if you have any problem. And the course outline is very flexible, and even you can uh, class do from your home also. And there are some batches already going, and there are some students, not actually some, the number is huge actually, who are successfully completed and working the global marketplace uh, with very success, and their earnings are very impressive. So you can check their profile also here in the website. And for any information, you can see the website and contact for the support. And you can also try the start 14-day free trial, because if you want to know how actually total process is working, if you can want the functionality in the behind the how the class is conducted, and how the students get resources and so on. So hopefully you'll enjoy journey at Career Trust. It is very much helpful and practical oriented, not only focusing your learning and also earning process. You'll get the complete guideline if you have the interested and if you have the patient, because we know many of us have the patient to work in this IT career and to explore our career, but we didn't get proper support or proper guideline. Uh, so Code Trust is here for you. Just you need dedication and patience. The rest will be done by the Code Trust. So hopefully you'll enjoy Code Trust curriculum. If you have any questions, just put support mail, or you can use the phone number. There is a help unavailable. I'm just showing the number 01787659323. This is for the Bangladesh branch, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. For other branch, you can actually ask in the support. Well, I will close my session soon. If anyone join later or misses the whole session, hopefully you can see the recorded version later. So see you soon in the next session. Take care. Bye. Good night.